Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this blurry border on CapCut PC. Anyways, what I like to do is I like to copy and paste the video instead of using Canvas for it, and I just like to go to the effects section and I like to just type in blur. Then I'm going to place that effect onto the video underneath. You can also adjust how blurry you want it to be. You can stop here, but what I like to do is I like to go to Media, Library, and I like to add a black stock video. And then I'm just going to place it here, freeze frame it, so that I can extend the duration. And I'm going to rotate it because this is a portrait video. Go to Mask, select Rectangle, and you're going to mask the border like this, and you're going to feather it out to create a shadow. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!